In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Ajazz keyboard software. So the process is easy. Just go and open a browser. Once you do so, you'll have to go to the URL section. Of course, whatever browser you want. Go here, just type Ajazz, as simple as that, hit the enter button and make sure to click on the software option. So this is normally the store where you'll be able to see their keyboards and stuff. For us, we don't want that. Just go and click on the second link, which is called software. So once you click on the software, here you will find many keyboards. You'll have to look for the keyboard because each keyboard model has its own driver/software. So you must download the exact software of your model. So look for the keyboard that you have. Let's say, as an example, I do have this keyboard. As you can see, each one comes with its driver and its software. So let's say I do have this one. And here, as you can see, you'll find this downloaded file. So you'll find here the driver for Windows and its wireless version only. Just go and click on that. And here, as you can see, you'll find it's in a zip file. Let's just go and download that. And let's just go here and double click on it. So as you can see, you'll find here the setup to install it. So just double click on that. You can, of course, extract it if you want first. So then let's just go ahead and run. Select whatever language you want. Keep downloading. You can create a desktop shortcut or not. It's up to you. And click on install and the installation will be done. So you can click on finish and it will launch itself. So as you can see, please connect the device. You will have to connect the keyboard that you have. Of course, that is the same model and you should find it there. And then you'll be able to start playing with the settings that you want. So you can customize it however you want by changing the RGB, remap keys, set macros, whatever you want. So keep in mind that if you download a software and it doesn't show here your keyboard, probably you downloaded like the wrong model. So make sure to download your exact model and you shall be good. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.